Being in your early 20s is like having an enormous road ahead of you, full of paths to choose from. You have energy, time, and not many responsibilities yet, which makes this the best time to start building something big. Many people live for the present, not thinking too much about the future, and that's normal. But here's the trick. It's right now that you have the chance to take the first steps towards financial freedom in the future. Making smart decisions with your money doesn't mean giving up fun. In fact, it's the best way to keep that freedom for much longer. It's not about choosing between enjoying life or being responsible, but finding the right balance. That's what I did, and everything changed. If you're watching this video, pay attention to every point I'm about to share because each tip can change your life. So stay with me until the end, because every detail matters. And of course, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. That way you won't miss anything and you'll help the channel grow. The first action that can change your life is creating a side income. Yes, I know this has become a trend, but there's a reason for that. It really works. When I was 19, I was in debt and stuck in a tiring job that wasn't taking me anywhere. I used to make wooden trash cans, without any desire, no future, and the salary barely covered my bills. That's when I realized my salary would never get me out of that hole. I needed to do something different even if it seemed risky. I started buying and selling used cars with the little money I had. It was hard, required a lot of effort, but I had a plan. For months I lived on the edge. No car, no money, and almost no rest. But in just over a year I paid off all my debts and saved enough money to start my first business, which is now worth millions. It all started with one simple decision: to take action. This story shows that starting a side income depends much more on your attitude than the type of work. Not everyone will do well in car sales, and that's fine. The important thing is to find something you enjoy and know how to do. It could be video editing, photography, programming, creating digital art, or teaching something online. The secret is to use your main salary to cover your expenses and invest all the money from your side income in your growth. Buy tools, take courses, read books, invest in yourself. Over time, this investment begins to pay off and multiply. And that brings us to the second step: investing in index funds, using accounts that offer tax benefits, such as a Roth IRA in the United States or an ISA in the UK. It may not seem exciting now, but it's what will ensure your security in the future, even if the world changes or your job ends. Index funds are investments in multiple companies at once. This helps reduce risks, and over time, it makes your money grow. Imagine investing just $200 per month in a fund like the S&P 500, which historically yields an average of 10% per year. After 45 years, that could turn into over $2 million. And if you use accounts like a Roth IRA or ISA, all that money grows without you paying taxes on it. It's like planting a money tree that grows slowly but steadily. You don't even have to think about it, just automate it. As soon as your paycheck hits, part of the money goes straight into the investment without you having to do anything. You get used to it and don't even miss it. Meanwhile, your wealth grows at the right pace. Backstage, it's your plan B working tirelessly. That's how I started investing. A friend once told me that leaving money sitting in your account is like leaving ice melting in the sun. Inflation slowly takes away the value of your money. So I decided to take action. I set up an automatic system, like a fixed monthly payment. Every month, part of my money went straight into index funds. Over time, this changed the way I thought. I stopped living just for the present and started thinking about the future. Index funds are great because they spread your investment across many companies. If one fails, the others continue. And by using the right accounts, you don't pay taxes on your profits. In the UK, you can open an ISA through apps like Freetrade. In the US, the public app is a good option to start with the S&P 500. The earlier you start, the better. Time is your greatest ally. Now here's a tip that might seem strange. Buy a plane ticket. But wait, it's not to post photos on Instagram or to show off a luxury trip. It's to get out of your bubble and see the world with new eyes. When you travel with a purpose, to study, network, learn something new, or observe other businesses, you come back changed. And often you come back with ideas that can change your life. Instead of spending money on a new phone, designer clothes, or a financed car, why not use that money to have experiences that truly make you grow? In your 20s, this could be the game changer between a regular life and an incredible career. Traveling with purpose is an investment in your mindset, and no one can take that away from you. Finally, remember, True wealth isn't about what you show, it's about what you build in silence. Don't compare yourself to those who seem to be doing better on social media. Many people live on appearances, full of debt. While they buy status, you buy freedom. And freedom is priceless. Live on less than you earn, invest whenever you can, and never lose sight of your goals. That's how you build something strong that will last a lifetime. And if you've made it this far, you're already one step ahead of the majority. Most people stop halfway. Most people look for shortcuts. But you're on the right path, building slowly. And that effort over time becomes something unshakable. Subscribe to the channel for more tips like this, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear it. Your future starts now.